morning students, welcome in our GK class. Today we will discuss about some common medical diagnostic techniques. Let's start with biopsy. Biopsy is a medical test commonly performed by a surgeon where a tissue is removed for testing to determine the presence of extent of a disease. Full form of ECG is electrocardiography. It's a measuring and recording the electrical activity of heart is known as electrocardiography. It is used to detect proper heart functions. Now CT scan. It is used to identify the normal and abnormal structure of any body part. It assists in the diagnosis of tumors, fractures, bony structures, and infections in the organs and tissues of the body by producing its cross-sectional images using X-ray and computers. So it helps the doctor to guide accurately for the placement of treatments after detecting the affected body part. Now endoscopy. In this technique, an optical instrument called endoscope introduced into the body in order to view the interior of the organs to diagnose any abnormality. Now angiography. Radiography of blood which is carried out after introduction of a liquid dye in the blood. This technique is commonly used to check the condition of blood vessels. MRI. The full form of MRI is magnetic resonance imaging. It is like CT scan in which cross-sectional images of the body are obtained by using computer. In MRI, a large powerful magnet is used along with radio waves to generate the magnetic field. So it helps the doctor to guide accurately for the placement of treatments after detecting the affected body parts. EEG is a technique that records electrical activity in the brain. By using this technique, doctors investigate abnormality in the brain. Some medical terms which is used in medical treatment. Okay, first is dialysis. When kidney does not work properly, then this technique is used to clear or filter the blood. Second is organ transplant. It is a technique of exchange of an organ from one person, that is called donor, to another person when organ of the recipient get damaged or missing. Antidote. It is a substance which neutralizes the effect of a poison. Pacemaker. It is a device which is able to control abnormal rhythms of heartbeats. It is placed either in the region of chest and either speed up or slow down the heartbeat depending upon its rhythms. Next is saline. It is salt solution used to prevent or treat dehydration. So these are the terms which you have listened at the time of treatment. Thank you for watching this video.